Namaste. Good morning, students. I, JVN Jyoti Kumawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today I am here to present the course Inclusive Education from the program BA B.Ed BSc B.Ed 7th semester, and today's topic is Policy on Right of PWDs 2006. In last class we have discussed about some education concept, the special integrated and the inclusive education, and we have also discussed the disabilities. Now today here is the topic policy on right of PWDs which regarding from the disabilities. Now start that it means the government of India formulated the national policy for persons with disabilities in 2006, which deals with physical, educational and economic rehabilitation of persons with disabilities. In addition, the policy also focuses upon rehabilitation of women and children with disabilities, barrier-free environment, society, social security, research, etc. This national policy recognizes the person with disabilities are valuable human resource for the country and seeks to create an environment that provides those equal opportunities, protection of their rights and full participation in society. Now here are some focuses of the policy. The focus of the policy is as discussed, like first prevention of disability, next rehabilitation measures. In that prevention, large number of cases is preventable. The policy lays a strong emphasis on prevention of disabilities. It calls for program for prevention of disease which result in disability and the creation of awareness regarding measures to be taken for prevention of disabilities during the period of pregnancy and thereafter to be intensified and their coverage expanded. Now rehabilitation measures can be classified as into three groups: physical rehabilitation, which include early detection and intervention counseling; educational rehabilitation include vocational education; and last, economic rehabilitation for a dignified life society. Now here are some policies for the women also described in that PWDs. Women with disability require protection against exploitation and abuse. Special program will be developed for education, employment and providing of other rehabilitation services to women with disabilities. Keeping in view their special needs, special education and vocational training facilities will be set up. Program will be undertaken to rehabilitate the disabled women, girls by encouraging their adoption in families, support to house them and impart them training for gainful employment skills. Now here are some children with disabilities in this policy. The children with disabilities are the valuable group and they need special attention. So ensure for this there are some rights: ensure right to care, protection, security for children and disabilities; ensure the right to development with dignity and equality, creating an enabling environment where children can exercise their rights, enjoy equal opportunities. Next, ensure inclusion and effective access to education, health, vocational training along with specialized rehabilitation services to children with the disabilities. Now ensure the right to develop as well as recognition of special needs and to care and protection of children with severe disabilities. So these persons get are getting suitable advantage of this policy. I hope you understood all the facts about this policy. If you have any problem, then we will discuss in our live session. Thank you.